If your hyperpigmentation or dark spots are not fading no matter what you use, you're making one mistake that is keeping your skin stuck. And once you face this, your result can change fast. I'm opportune to see this all the time. People spend a lot of money on skincare, trying different methods, but their dark spots just won't go away. The truth is, it's not about using more products, it's about using the right products and the right routine for your hyperpigmentation. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple beginner skincare routine that actually works to fade hyperpigmentation fast without wasting money or damaging your skin. Also, stay to the end because I'll be telling you the mistakes you are making that is also ruining your skin while trying to fade hyperpigmentation. Before we continue with this video, if you have never seen this face before, you have never seen any video from me, hi girl, welcome to the channel. My name is Patience. I'm a registered nurse and a registered mental health nurse who is deeply passionate about skincare, and on this channel I create video content on skincare, beauty, a sprinkle of mental health videos here and there because I genuinely want you to stay grounded on how to care for your mental health. I'll always highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel because you have an amazing time here. So let's continue with this video. Quickly, why do dark spots even happen? This is why. Anytime your skin experiences inflamed acne, or there's increased sun exposure or even irritation, your skin drives into a defensive mode where there's production of excess melanin to protect the skin. Now, that right there is what causes hyperpigmentation. And if you don't treat those dark spots of hyperpigmentation properly, it can be there for months or even years. This is where your routine comes in, as this play a major role in combating your hyperpigmentation. And I'll be dividing these sessions into what you need to do in your morning routine and what you also need to do in your nighttime routine. So let's start off with our morning routine. This morning routine, I will call it your protection, your prevention, which equals results. Now, morning routine, protect, prevent, equals result. If you put this in your head, it makes you know what your expectations are and what you want to work with. Okay? Protect, prevent, equals result. This is our morning routine. What I mean is this: your morning routine is mainly to protect your skin and prevent your hyperpigmentation from getting worse. That is why I said think morning routine as your protect, your prevent equals your results. So step one in our morning routine, we want to use a gentle cleanser, a cleanser that is mild, that has ingredients that will not irritate your skin, that will not damage your skin. We are looking at ingredients like hyaluronic acid, we are looking at ingredients like beta-glucan, panthenol, ceramides, glycerin, snail mucin. You know, these are ingredients that is going to help you strengthen your skin barrier, that is going to make your skin supple and glowing. The products I recommend for this category is the face wash from Anua, which contains hyaluronic acid, panthenol. There's also the one from CosRS. This also has hyaluronic acid, panthenol. It has ceramide also. And the last in this category is the one from Incalist. This is also super nice, gentle on the skin, you know, super hydrating, and will keep your skin supple and fresh. Our step two in this category is a product that will help prevent. And this is where the vitamin C serum comes in. This will help you brighten your dull skin, help you gradually fade that hyperpigmentation or your dark spots. And the ones I recommend in this category is the vitamin C serum from Timeless. This contains L-ascorbic acid. It contains ferulic acid and vitamin E. This is a super combo because these two ingredients kind of potentiate the effectiveness of this L-ascorbic acid. They work in a synergetic effect to, you know, make it more beneficial to your skin. I love this one so much. Another one I'll also recommend in this category is the one from Numbazine. This also contains glutathione. It's a vitamin concentrated serum, so it's made up of several ingredients to boost its effectiveness and also fade your hyperpigmentation. So these two vitamin C serums is what I recommend in this category. And the third step in our routine is a moisturizer. Trust me, a healthy skin heals faster. Never skip your moisturizer if you have this skin condition. And the one I'll recommend in this category is the one from Anna. I've also talked about this in this channel. By now, Anna should send me a message. They should send me a mail. Regardless of them sending me a mail, this product is really, really good. I have used it and I'm still using it. I've used several bottles of it. It is amazing. This moisturizer is nice. You can use this one. You can also use the one from Dr. Athia, the 345 Barrier Relief Cream. Another one I also recommend is the Cosare Snail Moisten. This is another good moisturizer you can use. Please do not skip your moisturizer if you have this skin challenge. The last step, which is the step 4 in this routine, which I would say is the most important, is the use of your sunscreen. Regardless of everything, if you can't be consistent with anything in this routine, be consistent with the use of your sunscreen. I have emphasized on this channel over and over again that sunscreen is the most important step in your routine, and if you want to combat hyperpigmentation or dark spot, you have to be willing to be consistent with the use of your sunscreen. And there are lots of sunscreen in the market, depending on the one you are comfortable using, whether the physical sunscreen or the chemical sunscreen. I've used quite a lot and I'll recommend some here. You can use the one from Eucerin. I'll put the pictures over here so you also see them. The one from Eucerin, the oil control sunscreen. I have a detailed video on sunscreen by skin types. I'll put it here also, so you know the one that fits your skin. Okay, so I'll just give them randomly. Now there's one from Eucerin, it is right here. There's the one from Skin Aqua, this is it here. There's another one from Haru Wonder. I love this sunscreen so much. It will help you in that hyperpigmentation. This is it. It has rice, I think rice, yeah, is it licorice or something? But apart from this sunscreen benefit, it has other depigmenting agents that will help you fight hyperpigmentation. I mean, how wonderful is that? So that's the one from Haru Wonder. There's another one from Uncover also. There are lots of sunscreen in the market that are good, so you can use any of these ones depending on the one that is suitable for your skin type. If you are not using sunscreen, your hyperpigmentation, your dark spot, it won't fade, it won't go away. And that's the honest truth. And that's the number one mistake you're making, that is making your hyperpigmentation and your dark spot worse. And that is why they will not go away. This leads me to our nighttime routine. Now, this is where the work is. This is where you actually fade your hyperpigmentation. So you want to concentrate on this part of the video. Step 1 in this aspect is your cleanser. I'll always recommend using a gentle cleanser, because every other thing coming behind this or after this step are active. So use a gentle cleanser. You can use any of the cleansers we talked about in our AM routine for this. You can use pretty much any of them. Then the next one you want to now go is your actives, which is our step 2. This step 2 entails your treatment. This treatment now can be your AHAs or your retinol. Your AHAs, if you're in this channel, you know AHAs are your alpha hydroxy acids, they are your chemical exfoliants. Okay, so this is where this comes in. So you are either using your AHA or you're using retinol. This is what it entails. This is what the step 2 entails. These two treatment options help increase or speed up skin cell turnover, and in the process gradually reduce or fade away that dark spot or your hyperpigmentation. And one thing I'll always encourage you is to start slowly in any of these treatments. Start slowly. Do not hop on the highest percentage in any of these treatments, please. When you are using these treatments, use 2 to 3 times in a week to avoid irritation of your skin. You are trying to fade hyperpigmentation. You don't want to worsen it by damaging your skin barrier when you overuse it. Now, step 3 in this PM routine will be our moisturizer. You want to use a rich moisturizer to seal everything in, so your barrier is in check, so you do not damage your skin barrier while trying to solve a problem, because that'll be compounding it even more. Like I always say, using a good moisturizer will help your skin repair itself better. A healthy skin will always thank you. Let me save you months of frustration. Avoid making these mistakes. 1. Over exfoliating. 2. Missing too many active ingredients. 3. Skipping your sunscreen. 4. Being inconsistent. Let me put you on something. Consistency, not expensive products, is what actually fade hyperpigmentation. With the right routine, you can start seeing results 4 to 8 weeks of using your products, but only if you stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, because in my next video, I'll be breaking down to you the best ingredient that actually works to fade your hyperpigmentation or dark spots, so you don't have to waste your money. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll answer them as always. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye.